Here to show the first rifle that we're getting from Tactical Life Firearms. It's a firearms manufacturer out of the Orlando, Florida area. And so here we go. Let's see what we got. Now keep in mind this was an order that we placed specifically for one of my customers based on their expectations and wants for an AR style rifle. So let's see here. One thing for sure, we'll say it's been packaged very well. Okay, come on. There we go. My Raven Crest tactical knife here. Let's see what we got. So much tape. All right, here we go. Here we go. Check that out. Raven Crest tactical. All right. Okay. Okay. Bill of sale. My receipt. This is all right. Okay. This is all right. Let me grab my other phone here so I can give you guys a little rundown here. What's in the box? Not a whole lot in the box, but everything that's needed here to get us going. Of course, we can't do it after our gun lock. Got some, little gimmies for our customers so they can be proud of their new purchase here. Okay, y'all see. It's that Primary Arms red dot right there. Already mounted up. This is going to be the Ambi series, Ambi Duty series. You can see it's got our forward assist, Bravo systems. Oh, let me get this out the box here. Let me get this out the box. So this particular firearm, straight out the box, just like that. You see we've got our chamber flag, so we no magazine, so we know it's not loaded. Let's go ahead and get that over back. Okay. Warhammer. See. Loaded here with some ambidextrous features already out the box. Charging handle. We got our safety selector. Mag release. Mag release on this side. This is going to be 10.5-inch barrel on this AR-15 with the mag pull pop-up sights. There we go. There we go. That's sweet right there. Tactical Life. Chambered in 5.56 You see right here, we got Tactical Life right on the bolt carrier group. Classic AR. Look at that ultralight handguard. Okay, you can see right here, get a close-up view of this, where it's going to keep our handguard from rotating. Everything is smooth, seems to be well coated. This trigger pull. Guess I came with the safety on, right? Nice and crisp. I say a little bit better than the standard. Doesn't have a lot of movement in it at all. Have to get our pull weight scale and check the actual pull weight. Of course, we need to charge it back to put it on safe. So yeah, it's good to go. I think this is everything you need in a compact AR pistol. B5 systems, grip, nice and comfortable. It's got a great angle on it, you can see that trigger. All right, let's see if we power on this dot without looking at the instructions. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, primary arms, classic red dot. Set up with the mount so it co-witness perfect with these Magpul sights. Now we just got to get it to our customer and get them to the range.